This is Mike from Custom Cruisers. You can see here ThunderMax ECM and auto tuner unit all in one. Amazing bit of kit. This is the older model of 309 360. Works just as well as the new one. Difference is now this is all one. It's not two separate units. In the old days you could upgrade this to this, add the auto tune version on. Okay, as you can see, 3-year warranty, can't say any fairer than that. And also comes complete with a lead. This is the USB to the new style, the old style plug. This particular one comes with the software. You can visit the ThunderMax website and get the latest downloads. Okay, very easy to install. Basically, take the old ECU out, plug this one in. These here will go into your exhaust. If you've got a later bike with the 12mm bosses, they are provided in the kit. So basically, if you need to weld 12mm bosses in, they will be provided in this kit. Okay, but very simple thing to do. Great bit of kit, highly recommended for any Harley, because standard, no matter what you do with these Screaming Eagle tuners and that, it's not adjusting the mixture every time you're driving the bike. You know, when you're riding the bike, you want it to be adjusting as you're going along. So basically, you can see here, install the ECM, you know, basically fit the thing in place of the old one like this. Okay, bolt him in how the old one was. Some of them you got to take the batteries out, obviously, but pretty basic. Plugs into your fuse box. That's on the diners. And then basically what you're going to do, you're going to put in EFI maps and definitions. You're going to pick what bike you got. So for instance here you've got Harley Davidson 103, you've got stock twin cam, Reinhardt true jewels, you've got, you know, whatever speedo ratio. It does tell you which of these to use, otherwise your speedo will be out. Okay, speedo calibration systems here. So for instance, you got a 2002, it's 4352, and it will ask you all these numbers. Okay, write the map to the ECU, and then basically turn him back on and off. You can leave it plugged in, and you can actually check the cylinder head temperatures and check all your, you know, all your settings are bang on, your AFI, your air fuel ratio. You can modify the map as well. This will also allow you to do turbo or nitrous. Okay, so it is an amazing bit of kit. Simply plugs in with a USB. This plugs into ThunderMax spark plug boot grease, which makes your plugs better, obviously, if it's raining, and less damage to anything. But very simple to fit. If you're interested, give us a call. ThunderMax products or Thunderheart ignitions. We do the standalones for your EFI to car models as well. Thank you. CustomCruisers.com, the new site, CustomCruisers.eu, or alternatively, call me, Mike, 01773835666. Thank you.